Hello and welcome back to Cooking with the Darlings. Today I'm making honey roasted chicken wings. Simple, tasty and very easy to prepare. I start by lightly poking the chicken wings with a sharp knife. This helps them absorb all the seasoning. Next, I squeeze in one fresh lemon and then drizzle in some olive oil. Then I add the dried herbs, the dried ginger and the black pepper. Using my hands, I mix everything, making sure each wing is well coated. Next, I add in a teaspoon of salt or to taste and mix once more. Cover the dish using cling film and place it in the fridge for about an hour, allowing the chicken to absorb all the flavors. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It helps support our channel and allows us to make more content like this. Once marinated, arrange the chicken wings on a baking tray lined with baking paper, spacing them apart to ensure even cooking. They were cooked in a fan-assisted oven at 165 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes, slowly becoming tender, golden and full of flavor. Just before serving, I lightly drizzle them with honey for that perfect sweet finish. Serve them hot with freshly cooked rice and a light sprinkle of fresh parsley. Thank you very much for watching Cooking with the Darlings. If you've enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!